The Ministry of Education has partnered with the Junior Achievement Jamaica to help grade 9 students build a strong foundation in entrepreneurship. They're working to have the Jace Seed program in every secondary school in Jamaica.
And the future is to be driven by entrepreneurship, because when you look at what technology is doing, technology displays in traditional jobs. So young people now have to find a niche. How can I now acquire knowledge and skills and find an opportunity for myself through entrepreneurship to create a viable business that I can earn a decent standard of living, feed my family, and have a prosperous life.
Formally an extracurricular activity, the Junior Achievement Entrepreneurship Program is now part of the secondary curriculum, and the Junior Achievement team has been getting educators ready to roll out the program.
It was very easy for us to replace business basics with entrepreneurship. We gave them a 40-minute session, so it's one session per week per class for the entire year. We were able to complete the entire syllabus, and all our third form students have been exposed to it. They are very excited. They have learned a lot.
We had the business education teacher and the home economics teacher working with the program. The hardest part about it was to get the parents to be a part and to accept that we need to keep the children 45 minutes more, 2 days per week. But at the end of it, grade 9 started to behave better, had better relationships, and we could actually see that something different was happening.
When we talk about the skills that the students are learning, they're not just writing in a book and then seeing what grade they get. They're actually running their business. So they have to develop their team. They have to actually create an idea or research what products they're going to deliver. They have to raise money.
When you look at Asia, North America, where they have an orientation towards business development, their whole economy is driven by small businesses, right? And that is what we want. So students now are not told by their parents that you must go and acquire education and look at a job. What we want to go to school, acquire knowledge and abilities so you can transition that to skills that can create new businesses. That is the new language that we want.
Apart from encouraging a culture of entrepreneurship in Jamaica, Jace Seed is also helping our young people to develop skills for work and life.
We want to be able to teach our students to fail forward, where you fail, but it's such a significant opportunity and learning opportunity that it was worth it. When we look within our workspace, having the ability to generate an idea, formulate why that idea is important and why it would be beneficial, putting together that case and being able to communicate it is essential.
It's also essential to expose students to entrepreneurship before they decide on a career path. Kalia Smith, Special Projects Manager at Junior Achievement Jamaica, is a past junior achiever.
It really inspired me to choose a degree in entrepreneurship, not just for me to start my own business, but also that I can have that knowledge and skill set in whatever capacity that I want to work.
Now in 40 schools, the Ministry of Education and Junior Achievement Jamaica are working to have the Jace Seed program in all secondary schools.
This is something you can use to enrich the offerings at your school. We need to make sure that our children are in line with the 21st century skills. The negotiation, the entrepreneurship skills, the communication skills, that's what they deliver when they have their own table talking. The critical thinking skills, the creativity skills.
Even if it means that I have to call the principals one by one, I am committed to ensuring that more of our principals are a part of this wonderful experience so that the students can benefit optimally.
Junior Achievement Jamaica and the Ministry of Education, partnering to implement the entrepreneurship curriculum in the 9th grade of all secondary schools in Jamaica.